Hey everybody, it is Rel. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be deleting the cats. Alright, we're about to get to taking these cats off. Here's the cat delete pipes. If you're interested in getting this kit right here, I will place the link in the description on how to get these cat delete pipes. These pipes are a little bigger than the stock pipes, so they come with adapters, come with everything you need, and we'll get back on the video when it's done. As you can see, we got the stock pipes out. This is what they're going to. So when they're done, we'll get a video how it sounds. So we're gonna get a cold start with the cat still in the car and get a comparison. Here's the cold start with the cats off.